Important matter for RRB steno skill test. Speed 80 WPM. Be ready. 5 seconds. Madam Speaker, as I stand in this temple of democracy, I owe this opportunity to the people of this country who have elected us to represent them and to shape their destiny. I am grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for having reposed his faith in me and entrusting this huge responsibility of leading Indian Railways. I promise to fulfill this responsibility and make every endeavor not only to lead Indian Railways but also aid in building a vibrant India under the dynamic leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji. It gives me immense pleasure to present my maiden railway budget. Indian Railways, being the nation's prime mover, is the structure and soul of Indian economy. It echoes rhyme and rhythm in the hearts of every citizen of this country from Baramulla in the north to Kanyakumari in the south and from Okha in the west to Lekhapani in the east. Madam Speaker, we all know that Indian Railways cut across all barriers of regions, classes, and creed and is a microcosm of India on the move. From a man on the streets of Bengaluru to fish vendors in Kolkata to the hustle bustle at Nizamuddin station, everywhere you find a citizen of this country rushing to connect with Indian Railways. Madam Speaker, though I am hardly a month old in the office, I am flooded with requests and suggestions for new trains, new railway lines, and better services from the honorable members of the parliament, from my colleagues in the government, from states, from stakeholders, from organizations, and from people of all walks of life. I know that everybody feel that they have a solution for the challenges which Indian Railways face. I too thought so when I was an outsider to this system before I was exposed to the intricacies and complexities of the vast organization. Now I am overwhelmed with the enormity of my responsibility in fulfilling these expectations as Minister of Railways. Indian Railways run 12,617 trains to carry over 23 million passengers per day, connecting more than 7,172 stations spread across the subcontinent. It is equivalent to moving the entire population of the Australia. We run more than 7,421 freight trains carrying about 3 million tons of freight every day. Madam Speaker, having achieved the distinction of entering the select club of railways of China, Russia, and USA in carrying more than 1 billion tons of freight, I now target to become the largest freight carrier in the world. Madam Speaker, as you know, apart from serving the passengers, Indian Railways carries coal, it carries steel, it carries cement, it carries salt, it carries food grains and fodder, and it also carries milk. Thus, Indian Railways practically carries anything and everything, and it never says no to a thing if it fits in the wagons. Most importantly, we are the backbone of supply chain of the defense establishment and play a very crucial role in security of the nation. Madam Speaker, while we carry 23 million passengers a day, there are still large number of people who have not set a foot on a train yet. We carry over 1 billion tons of freight a year, connecting ports and mines to industrial clusters, but still there are vast tracts of hinterland waiting for rail connectivity. Though freight business has grown steadily over the years, Indian Railways carry only 31% of the total freight carried in the country by all modes. These are the challenges we have to face.